prepare yourself for the apocalypse.
Alright guys, so here you have it. The 2019 Camaros. As you can see, they changed the tail lights on them. So I don't know if I care for too much. I mean, I guess it's not bad. Inside is the same as a regular 6th gen. And then there's this problem. The fact that the front looks ugly as shit. You know, a lot of people have said that if you look at it in person, it's a lot nicer, and honestly, it's not. It's still freaking ugly as hell. I really don't like that orange either. The orange with the black looks completely stupid. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Red's not so bad, but I still don't know how I feel about all that black there. And then just this random piece here. I don't know. I'm really not digging it. I will say though, out of all of them, this one's the nicer one. This one's marked for $39,000. So yeah guys, give me your opinion, but I personally still say they look like trash. I do like the little RS there on the rims. Not thrilled. Definitely not thrilled.
The apocalypse.